In this video, we are going to unbox and see about CT110X chain kit in Bajaj genuine parts and what are all the components present inside. This packing comes in blue color representing their company and logo in it. Outside the pack, the chain kit specifications are mentioned. Unboxing this pack, we get a rear wheel sprocket, a gear wheel sprocket, and a chain which comes with pre-applied grease. These are the components inside. These two sprockets are black in color. Also, a special type of coating is given. This chain kit can only replace or fixed for Bajaj CT110X model bikes. This chain kit specifications are it has 41 teeth in rear wheel sprocket, 14 teeth in rear wheel, and it has 112 links of chain. It a 4-hole chain kit where it has 4 fitment bolts given in rear wheel sprocket. Let's measure the thickness of this chain kit. The gearbox sprocket thickness is 7.26 millimeters. The rear wheel sprocket thickness is 7.86 millimeters. The chain looks like this. Also comes with pre-applied lubricant as mentioned earlier. If you are replacing the chain kit, will you consider this? If you need this product, you can purchase at 2Wheelerspares.com. Also, there are many chain kit listed in our website.